Alright, what's up guys? We're up here in Grow Lab at AM Leonard and just wanted to show you the seeds that we got going on, and just kind of doing a little bit of observation here. You can see that the seedlings are leaning a little bit, so going to work on adjusting this light here. Nice thing about this 3-tier grow light is it does have adjustable lights. The problem is too that these are fluorescent lights, whereas what I'm using at home are LEDs, and the things that are blinding me over here are also LEDs. So it'll be interesting to see like the difference between the fluorescents that we've got here and how the LEDs perform, but you know, that's just kind of part of our test here between the different seeds, the trays, the lights, and just the environment in general. So look at the difference here. So obviously here in the HydroFloat tray, it's a little ugly with all of the algae and shit growing in there, but the seedlings look pretty healthy, you know. So even though it's growing under a fluorescent light, still doing pretty good, not too leggy. And then the comparison crop over here, this is how the broccoli's doing in the 72 star deep star plugs. So as you can see, not as good of germination, not getting as good of light over here as well, or either, but this is kind of showing the difference between the grow plugs and how this grows in soil. And actually this soil is Pitt moss, so it's made from recycled paper, and kind of just, you know, learning how to use it, it wets down a lot differently, and that's what I kind of found with my test here in the 288 cell tray. But as you can see, we've got really good, or not really good, but pretty decent germination on the spinach over here. This is our test. These are the Oasis Rootcubes, and we're also growing spinach in these. So much less even germination, but I think it's just going to be a matter of time. So over the next week, it's going to be interesting to see how this one compares to the test we've got running here against the Pitt moss and the 288 cell count trays. Alright, and you can see that these plants are looking a lot healthier than the ones I've got at AM Leonard. Started on the same day. A couple differences here. These are grown under the Stratum Total Grow LED grow lights. Nice thin profile, broad spectrum LED light spectrum. And then another difference is actually the type of seeds. Salanova in the back. Concept lettuce, not looking too good. But so surprised because the Salanova was an old seed. Concept lettuce was kind of an old seed too. Arugula was a really old seed, but you can see that those are doing pretty well. The other big difference is the actual soil. So you can see here, you know, it's a very fine mix. So fine peat, fine perlite, and over here you can see how well it wets down. So that was the biggest thing that I noticed. Was I was like, oh shit, I haven't watered these guys in a while. And I came up that day and it was still pretty moist. So this is a really great mix if you're looking for consistency and something that's going to keep, you know, maintain moisture, you know, despite what the weather and conditions might be.